Hey guys, it's Grumpy Bassoon here, and back with another video. And Woody Peach is not with us because he is at his house. But I think since he's not here, I'll do a Rubik's Cube video. So let's do it. Okay, now let me point the camera down as far as it'll go. Okay, I think that's good. Back up here. I should probably put my legs down. So here we've got a standard Rubik's Cube. Just, you know, we're gonna scramble it off camera because, you know. It's hard to solve a Rubik's Cube behind your back in a chair. Alright, so as you can see, here's the Rubik's Cube. Scrambled. Now we're gonna do a 5-second inspection. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we've got our daisy. Now we've got our pattern. Now we've got one side done. Now we're gonna do 2. And yeah, so we're gonna just hope for the best on this one. Yeah, because, you know, it's a... That's the Rubik's Cube solved. Alright, so little message for Woody Peach. I'm sorry if the camera is, you know, jiggling. But it's because I've got it set up where the bolt for the camera thing is actually holding on to my pop socket, and that's why it's a little bit jiggly. Usually I put a rubber band around it to keep it, you know, secure, but I didn't really have time, and also I didn't want to. So I hope my hair looks good. I just brushed it. So anyway, for Woody Peach, if he's, you know, just at home watching our YouTube channel, this Rubik's Cube video is for you and everybody else. Also, hey man. So I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye bye.